to see here as the menu called about mailing. Here we can able to send by the multiple invitations to the others. Same methods are there. Only have to change the address. We had to apply by mail. We had to apply by the method have to be by envelopes, labels, and the starting with the text. We had to apply the letters, email, envelope, label, dictionary, normal word text. You can able to see by step by step. First of all, you want to do the content. You have to prepare the content for the content. Suppose you want to invite the birthday party for that. From address will be there. Two address need to be like. And also have a subject will be there. And what are things inviting the birthday party content is there. You have to define the content for that. Now, if you want to create that database for here, we can open by the one Excel sheet. Okay, we have to type on this address data. Who want to send the data, we want to create the address for that. The field consists of as the name, street address, city, state, pin code, country, and even date and even time, and also venue address will be available. This need to be created by yourself, and I have to save location. You can save the location as some file in the form of the Excel sheet also. Otherwise you go from as the DBMS. Now what we can do here, when you go from as the mail page, start a mail page. For here use from as a normal word. This is a normal word. So have to apply by the which is selected in the text. Whether you want to create by the new list or use from as the existing list. You can see here where our file is located here. It's set by the particular Excel sheet. Then which sheet have to be as selected and multiple sheets are there. That is selecting which is an active sheet from the first column will be taken by as the header value for the one selected. One selected is there. Previously this menu is not enabled. Now we can able to see the enable the menus. Now you can wherever you want to do here. Here I want to type on as some text. I want to type on as the name. For field I want type. I open here insert as the name. Okay, when I have to be insert the name, then I have to be aligned. Otherwise simply what are data we required, you can able to insert the data. You have to be insert by the all the field. After inserting the field, you can able to be as a arrangement also done. So likewise, I give by the like here. Then I have to type them as a city, state, pin, city and state, and also give by the state and the pin code. Then give by the country for that. Once you align, okay, before do from anything, just you have to check that whether the order having is the correct format alignment there. Whatever you required here, you can able to align properly. Here I want to give by something here. I want to give by red color for the red color. You can insert some name over here. Same image. Add insert by the name here. And also give by the event date will be given. Highlighting the event date I want to add here. For that I want to remove this one. Have to be insert on here the particular event. So I have to give from as here insert event date you can given, and also give by that is the venue address. Okay, the venue address you can able to choose whatever data we required here. You can able to apply by that is the venue address also. Then take by given by the event time. Event time also you can able to select event time. You can able to select here. These are thing already selected. Okay, suppose what are the requirement is required for your letter, you can able to design by yourself. Okay, what are the you want to give by the bold, you can apply the bold without having the bold also you can able to apply it. Okay, so you can able to give by this one as a content for that. Now I can able to see here my from address will be same, and to address I want to insert by the my address book will be there. From the address book I want type, and wherever required here I want type on some name over. Suppose go to the mail mode, I want to see the preview. Today it would all possible to see here what is the preview for that. If you want to see the preview by the preview result is the preview result they can able to show by here that is the 1 2 these are there. And I want to change by that is the data, you can able to use the content over there. I have to change by the order because I have a date and time to be counted for that. You want to change the date and time for each and everything, you can able to change. If you want to write do any modification from here, you can able to modify from here. So automatically this letter will be as generated from as all down. Suppose this hour is the invitation will be ready. So if you want to see here, the file having is only one files are available. I have had to finish by with having is the individual with having editing document, or maybe print document for that. I want to make from as all document for that in the form of that is a PDF. Once ready in the PDF, automatically you can save from as it is a desktops. Save from as desktop. Then is a merge content. When I click by the merge content, you can see here you only have 10 record want to be created. The particular the content must happen that is 10 documents are available. So you can able to open by content over there. There you can able to see in my document. Desktop is having is a merge.pdf is there. Once open here, you can able to see here same content be reflected. I have there is a different kind of address able to be reflected. So with using this way only you have to create by the mailmate document for that. Maybe everyone is know this one. Okay, somebody has a lesson. Or people is very useful.